Skill development of the new generation is a national need and is the foundation of Atmanirbhar Bharat, as this generation will take our republic from 75 years to 100 years. Echoed by PM Modi in his recent address on the occasion of World Youth Skill Day. He also underlined the importance of skills in the Indian culture and stressed the link between the importance given to skill development, upskilling, and the progress of the society. India has been relentlessly working towards the mission of skilling, reskilling, and upskilling the youth. The momentum to this growth has been provided by Skill India Mission, which has marked a service of 6 long years. The mission has fulfilled the growing need for skilled manpower and has also narrowed the existing gap between the demand and supply of skills. The guiding principle of Skill India Mission has been the actual operational implementation of education in various fields. Under the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, more than 1.25 crore young persons have been trained in different diverse sectors. Besides, the Skill India Mission has worked extensively to expand the ITI ecosystem and upskill India with even greater momentum. These ITIs have displayed consistent efforts in imparting skill training to aspirants across the country. Due to this, the number of ITIs have been increased by 24%. That is, from 11,847 in 2014 to 14,690 in 2021. Moreover, the sitting capacity of these institutions has expanded from 16.94 lakhs in 2014 to 26.13 lakhs for the session 2021 to 2023, which marks an increase of 54%. The recognition of prior learning program has identified the existing skills of individuals and has helped in orienting more than 50 lakh people. It also led to 19% increase in the average monthly salary and a 75% improvement in technical skills required for the job. The program has reported better chances of finding employment for around 75% of the participants. Let's get to know more about the endeavors undertaken to create a skilled workforce ecosystem in the country. Takshila serves as a dedicated online platform for the management of trainers and assessors of the Indian short-term skill ecosystem, functioning as the central repository of information concerning the development of quality trainers and assessors. The portal offers transparent and structured training programs for trainers and assessors and enhances the efficiency of the involved stakeholders. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Kendra is projected to be the state-of-the-art model training centers to create a benchmark that demonstrates aspirational value for competency-based skill development training. These centers focus on the elements of quality and sustainability. Rozgar Mela is an employment strategy to fast-track the meeting of job seekers and employers. It is an event where several employers and job seekers come together to apply and interview for different jobs. With the help of this event, around 248,596 people have been shortlisted for different job roles. Not only this, a special scheme named Sikho aur Kamao, Learn and Earn, has also been implemented to upgrade the skills of minority youth, which can help them earn suitable employment or equip them with skills to offer self-employment. Apart from this, some other initiatives like Kaushal Mart, Kaushal E-Pustakalaya or e-book reader, technical intern training programs and entrepreneurship support have been executed to uplift and skill development, thus ensuring the ease of living for the people. With the help of world-class skill development programs, the government has significantly contributed to the overall target of skilling of people and transforming India into the skill capital of the world. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.